Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Lisle, so let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, got another Lisle oil filter wrench. We got more line sockets. Those are awesome, by the way. I have the 17 and, what is it, 17 and 21 over there in the toolbox already. So I bought the 19 and 22. Well, let's go over here and look. Don't get dizzy. Excuse the mess. In case you didn't believe me. There's the 17 and there's the 21. Okay, back over here to the table. Sorry about the motion. Anyway, here we go. I also have the Lisle wheel stud installer. This is the regular one, I guess, for cars and whatnot. This is the bigger one for trucks. Got them both. I also have the two like this from ABN too. I already did a video on them. But I wanted the Lisle ones. I think when I ordered the other ones, the Lisle ones wasn't available or something. Anyway, let's get these packages open and show you a little bit better. Okay, oil filter wrench. There's the sizes it goes to. You can see how it grips on the inside. And it's nothing special. It's just a Lisle oil filter wrench. I think I gave my son one, and one either broke or wore out, or I don't remember. So I bought another one. With my memory, it might be over there in the drawer, who knows. But there's going to be another one in there now. Anyway, all joking aside, here's the line wrenches. This is the 19. I guess you can see that. Now the 21 is it's kind of beat up looking. It almost looks like it's been used before. You've seen I just took it out of the package, so I don't know what the deal is with that. Inside the drive it don't actually look like it's been used, but it sure does everywhere else, and it's rusty. It's not really like Lisle to be doing that. But anyway, it ain't gonna hurt it, I guess. It's just a black socket, or yeah, line wrench. Let's see. That's weird. It's marked on the opposite end from the other one. Maybe you can see that. I'll bring the camera down here so you can see it in a minute. Let's see. Let's just lay him down. Okay, and then you have the wheel stud installers. I'm sure everybody knows what these are. It's got a bearing in there to send their turns. That way you don't mess up anything. It's tapered. I guess you can see the taper. That's the regular size one. Here's the one for trucks. The bearing in there. Now, these are properly greased or oiled or whatever, so they don't rust. Well, you see grease coming out inside the bearing there, so they don't rust. Got a metal splinter in my finger. Rub some of that on this socket. Just kidding. Anyway, get the camera down and show you closer up. All right, here it is a little closer up. You can see the sizes and the part number, and that's the patent number. Anyway, I guess there ain't a part number on it. There's your two wheel stud installers. As you can see, I was talking about the taper. It's got a bearing in it. This one does too, this one don't have a taper. You see how these are marked on the opposite ends? The 22 is down here on the socket end, and the 19 is on the where you put the extension. And look at that, made in China. I wouldn't expect that from Lisle. Huh. Oh well, I guess it is what it is, right? Or did you see that? Made in China. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Just wanted to show you some of the Lisle stuff I got in. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.